Everything in the body is connected. One system does not act independently of the others, and all the systems depend on each other to function properly. When you think of cardiovascular disease, probably the last thing that comes to mind is the health of your gut. What in the world does your gut have to do with your cardiovascular system? An unhealthy gut where toxins, undigested food particles, and bacteria escape into the bloodstream is an inflammatory trigger and a major contributor in the progression of atherosclerosis, where this type of inflammation can damage blood vessels and cause plaque buildup, high blood pressure, heart attacks, and stroke. Here is a very oversimplified, condensed version of how the gut can affect the cardiovascular system. When the bad bacteria is circulating in the bloodstream, it contains something called lipopolysaccharides. This is the outer cell walls of the bad bacteria. The presence of the bad bacteria in your circulation is called endotoxemia, which triggers inflammation. When you have these lipopolysaccharides circulating in your blood, a type of cholesterol known as low-density lipoprotein, or otherwise called LDL, picks up these lipopolysaccharides in an effort to clear them from your blood. This LDL cholesterol, otherwise known as the bad cholesterol, has the very important job of transporting nutrients and picking up waste products. The problem is when your LDL cholesterol picks up these lipopolysaccharides or bad bacteria, your LDL tends to oxidize and the particles become very small and dense, which could eventually lead to a blockage. Another way these waste products cause cardiovascular disease is that they can trigger insulin resistance, leading to diabetes, damaging blood vessels. Lipopolysaccharides not only affect your cardiovascular system, but they can pass through the blood-brain barrier, leading to cognitive decline, Alzheimer's, neurological issues, and mood disorders. They can also trigger the immune system to overreact, causing allergic reactions or autoimmune disease. So you see how the gut can affect the cardiovascular system, and that every system in the body is connected and all works together. Just like these gears, where one is off, it could affect the performance of all the other gears.